Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to back up your iPhone or iPad. Backing up your device is important because it helps protect your data in case your device is lost, stolen, or damaged. In this tutorial, we will show you 3 different methods you can use to back up your iPhone or iPad: iCloud backup, Music app backup, and Finder backup for Mac. Let's start with iCloud backup. iCloud is a cloud storage service provided by Apple that allows you to store and back up your data wirelessly and automatically. To use iCloud backup, follow these steps. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on your name at the top of the screen. Tap on iCloud. Select iCloud backup. Make sure the toggle next to iCloud backup is turned on. Tap on Backup Now to start the backup process. iCloud backup is a convenient option because it happens automatically and wirelessly, as long as your device is connected to a Wi-Fi network and has enough battery life. The next method we will discuss is the Music app backup. The Music app is a media management software that allows you to transfer data between your computer and your device. To use the Music app backup, follow these steps. Connect your iPhone or iPad to your computer using a USB or USB-C cable. Open the Music app on your computer. Select your device from the list of devices in the Music app. Click on the Sync Settings tab. Go to General. Select your backup preference by ticking one of these radios. Click on Backup Now to start the backup process. The Music app backup is a good option if you prefer to back up your device to your computer, or if you want to transfer your backups to a different device. The third method we will discuss is Finder backup, which is only available for Mac users. Finder is a file manager on Mac that allows you to manage and organize your files and folders. To use Finder backup, follow these steps. Connect your iPhone or iPad to your Mac using a USB or USB-C cable. Open Finder on your Mac. Select your device from the sidebar. Make sure you are on the General tab. Decide on how you want your backup to be done. Click on Backup Now to start the backup process. Finder backup is a useful option for Mac users because it allows you to back up your device directly from Finder, without the need for additional software. That's it. These are 3 different methods you can use to back up your iPhone or iPad. Don't forget to regularly back up your device to protect your data. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more helpful content like this.